This match is MVP versus the Boogeyman. What a shot!
Oh my god, this thing is amazing. Tyler, look at all these openings. Oh wait, you can't. Guys, look at all these openings that when you're done now. Another cheer go. Oh my god. I don't know how close to do that.
Yeah. Oh my god. No. Try to end it with a playmaker. One, two, three. Boogeyman.
Okay, that's how I stop it.
What you did, money. You're just pressing the money button.
Oh, that new?
Yeah.
Oh, this is so cool.
It's not pause it. How do you pause it? You pause it.
Mom.
You pause it.
It's not the right button. That button.
No, I don't think so.
Okay,